Okay, after we cut the plug off, which, let's see here, this, okay, so it's gonna be like this. So this plug, we're gonna replace this plug by cutting it off, and then we're gonna be looking at these wires. And so now to connect them together, we're gonna use these connectors. And so you can see these clips go up after you splice 3/8 of an inch, put it in the hole and put down the lever, it's done. And so then the other side, it'll be the same thing. You'll have the other side, put it in, clip it down, and now you've made a connection. These actually go one, and they actually go together. And so you can create a whole set of them for the 4 wires.